So I'm going to replace this front cover on a 360 machine. Start by removing the waste tray and putting that to one side. We have a 3mm screw here, which we remove, and a 3mm screw here, which we remove. We then grab hold of the top of the cover and pull towards you and then press down. When the cover drops out of the groove, we turn the cover over and we remove the metal bar from the old cover. We thread the metal bar through the new cover until it's flush up with the edge. We then guide the two tabs up in the groove. We lift the front forward to get over the tabs, and then we refit the 3mm Allen screws. When tightening the Allen screws, make sure the cover is fully up, or it may restrict the waste tray. Refit the waste tray and you're done.